Only basics
Angular
I
and
know, sir.
okay, that's fine, um then it's fine, we will work with HTML only just for your you know task visibility, that's all.
Okay.
um, and create these styles in a CSS file. You know how we create different files. Currently you are doing inline styling in the same code. You need to create CSS style.css file and then load from there.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And these are the few things. So did you practice those pandas list and dictionary questions again? Do you remember them?
Actually, yesterday I'm traveling, sir, from home to Hyderabad. That's why I don't have time to.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So, okay. So that's fine. Let's do one thing. Practice those things. Okay, pandas, list, and others, and try completing these like plotting, login, sign up on the UI. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So I guess Ravi, we are good for today. So let Bhavna have some time. Okay.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah. Okay, Bhavna. Thanks. It was good.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Chalo. Bye bye. Bye, Ravi.
Bye.